presentation. I'm Tristan, I'm the CEO of Base Global. We're a blockchain ticketing company. We're located over in Berlin, Germany. I'm super excited to be here with you guys tonight. Looking out into the crowd, I can see I have a lot of young people here, and so I like to have fun. So I want to talk to you about pop tonight. One of my favorite artists is Beyonce, and I was looking online earlier, and I'm wondering if you guys can help me out with some names from some of your pop stars here. Maybe somebody yell something out. I think the translation takes a little bit longer. So the only Korean pop star I've ever heard of is Psy. I know you guys are gonna like laugh. It's horrible, but Gangnam Style. One of the biggest problems that I have with going to concerts, which I go to a lot of them, is ticket scalping. And so when you're looking for one of your favorite artists online, you're going to one of their events, you're really anticipating these concerts. You're sort of saying like, okay, I know when this ticket's gonna go on sale, I'm online, I'm ready to buy this, but then you realize that it's not available, and you go and look around, and they're available on all these other sites, and they're normally marked up 5x, 10x, 20x. So you go to a site, you look for a ticket, and it's $30 or 30 euros or whatever. And all of a sudden it'll be 150 or something like that. And that's called ticket scalping. This is when the secondary market brings up, buys tickets out from under us, puts them on other sites and sells them for extra money. That doesn't go to the artist, doesn't go to the venues, it only goes to these secondary companies. After that, what you get is, when these companies buy these tickets, they will list them on 4 or 5 other sites, and it basically becomes a first come, first served game. So if you bought the ticket, then you show up to the venue first, you'll get in, and every other ticket is rendered fake. And so that's when you get counterfeit ticketing. And this is a huge problem. This is a 5 million, there's 5 million tickets counterfeited per year, and about 423,000 pounds is lost per month in counterfeit fraud. And so when I started to solve this problem, and when I looked around, I went and found 2 experts in our field. I found Benjamin, who is here also, and our co-founder Carlos, and we started to embark on this journey. We met the guys from aIconicLab, and we started this accelerator, and he's going to switch the slide for me. We have a lot of fantastic advisors through aIconicLab who are not here, but they're fantastic. You can take my word for it. And our solution is to provide the artists and organizers with a way to control tickets. We're using the EOS blockchain to build secure, intelligent digital assets that drive revenue for the artists, but also protect us, the fans. With these tickets, they essentially become smart contracts. Artists can put conditions on them, like resale rules. So if we go to a site and we see a ticket, artists can say, how much is my ticket going to be sold for? Can it be resold? And what profit do I get back? What revenue do I get back from that ticket sale? So this way, as a fan, we know that the money that we're paying for the ticket goes directly to the artist. The third part of that is we're sort of using our cryptocurrency, our token, which is called Bagel, to align incentives. So this way we're creating a direct connection between the artist and the fan. So we can say that our attention is worth something these days. We're building a B2B mobile app and web app for the artists to define ticket behavior, to get analytics, and to do community engagement. And we're also building a B2C app for us, the fans, to buy tickets, discover events, and also to engage with artists one-to-one. We're charging platform usage fees for the artist. The fan doesn't pay for anything except for ticket resale, which we think that there should be a fee for that. Analytics, and we're doing individual advertising based around the events that you're going to. So you're no longer going to get advertising around events that you just don't care about or things that just don't make any sense related to that event. All of the transactions in our platform, so when you buy a ticket, they happen in our token, which is Bagel. Now, you don't have to worry about the token, so if you know nothing about crypto, it doesn't matter. Everything happens instantly under the hood as an exchange that we do for you. But you just know that you have it. The sellers, the ticket sellers, get to keep Bagel or exchange it for fiat. And you as a user will also get to keep it and spend it in our platform. We're also exchanging fiat over time. Our roadmap is pretty aggressive. We're well on our way to releasing our MVP, which should be out in June. So I'm not sure if we're going to release in Korea anytime soon, but that would be awesome. If you guys show a lot of interest, I would love to have it come here. I know the event scene is really amazing here. At the end of June, we're going to do our ICO pre-sale. Once again, if you're not an Iconic member, you should join because you'll get the highest discount on our tokens. And then in Q4 of next year, which is sort of the end of the year, we'll release our full platform and do our public sale. We're raising about 20 million euros. I can go into details with this after the event if you'd like to hear more about it. This as well. And so we're on a mission to disrupt the live event space, the ticketing space, and we're reimagining ticketing and the way events are done and how artists and fans interact and connect with each other. I want to thank you. You can join us on Telegram. We're not on a lot of things. I saw something called like Kakao Talk here or something, and a few other ones that I think might be cool for you guys. So if you show some interest, I can join those as well. But we're on Facebook. You can reach us on at hello@baseglobal or on our website. And thank you very much for having me.
네, 베이스드 글로벌의 CEO 조이스턴의 강연 잘 들었습니다. 네, 베이스드 글로벌의 플랫폼을 통하면